Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to transform this tired old piece of MDF furniture into something beautiful and modern. The first step is to give your MDF furniture a good cleaning. Wipe off any dust, dirt, or grime, and make sure it's nice and clean. After that, we're going to sand it down to create a smooth surface for the paint to adhere to. Now that it's all cleaned and sanded, it's time to apply the base coat. I'm going to use a diluted white paint as my first coat because I want to make sure the final color, which is gray, covers well. I've diluted the white paint with a bit of water to make it easier to apply and to create a translucent effect. This allows the gray paint to adhere better in the next step. Now it's time to add some character to our furniture with the gray paint. You can choose any color you like, but I'm going for a modern gray to give it a fresh look. The white paint might show through at first, but after a second coat it will be very opaque. Don't worry about any streaks from your brush, as they will almost disappear when you apply the finishing coat. For the final touch, I've used a matte finish lacquer from Rust-Oleum. Now, let me share a couple of extra steps I've taken to make this transformation even more special. First, I crafted the handle myself from a leftover piece of wood I had because the old one was just plain ugly. Also, the store-bought handle I found was too wide for the original holes it had, and I didn't want to cover them and drill any new ones. I'm thrilled with the outcome because the wooden handle perfectly complements the new look. And if you're wondering about these stylish legs, they were super easy to fit. All I had to do was drill some new holes and put everything together. It's a simple upgrade that adds a touch of elegance and modernity to the piece. So, don't be afraid to customize your furniture to make it truly yours. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've turned this old MDF furniture into something fresh, modern, and beautiful. Remember, you can experiment with different colors, patterns, and finishes to make it uniquely yours. So, go ahead and start your project today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.